If you already have tree collards and they're bending down to the ground, here's another way you can propagate from your plants. You keep the bent down part attached to the plant. You dig a little hole and bury it a couple inches. Using an irrigation pin or a rock or something, you might need a hammer to get that pin in place if your soil is really hard. I'm struggling there to get it in. And then you take this place you've buried in the dirt and you just cover it back up and keep it moist, hopefully. Coming back a couple of months later, I'm gonna check it out and show you what I find. So I took the pin out and I pulled it out. It wasn't quite as rooted as I expected it to be, but you can see it's dry California in the summer and it didn't get any irrigation there because it's quite far from the tubing. So I was able to cut that off and you can see the little bit of roots on the bottom there. And that's about all you need to get a new plant started much, much easier than a cutting that doesn't have any roots on it already. So I've got a 1-gallon can with high quality potting soil I put in there, and I kept my cutting in a can of water until I was able to deal with it. And now you want to remove all of the big leaves. You can leave a couple little leaves at the top, but you want to get those off so it doesn't get wilty and the plant can put its energy into forming bigger root system. So I gently stick it in the can, pressing down, and I tamp the soil down around it so it's nice and firm, and then water and label the plant. And that's how easy it is to grow clones of your tree collards to share with family and friends or yourself from your mother plant with very minimal effort. And if you like this video, please subscribe, please support the channel. And if you want more information, you can go to projecttreecollard.org, where we sell plants, cuttings, and seeds, and are an information center for all things tree collard. Thanks for watching.